Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to today's lesson. What we're looking at today is surface area. Now, not just any surface area, the thing that we start with in 3D. Okay, so surface area of 3D cuboids. Now, cuboids are anything that has a square base. Okay, so it's not a triangular base or a hexagonal base or pyramid or anything like that. It's a cube. It looks like a brick. Okay, so basically anything that looks like a brick. Now we start with this with year 7, and this is the first 3D thing that you learn how to deal with. Now the thing about this is I'm going to give you the formula, and then we're going to talk about where it comes from. So the formula for this, the surface area of a 3D cuboid is 2 length times width, plus 2 width times length times height, plus 2 width times height. Now, it's very easy to remember this, because with the 3D thing, you have 3 dimensions. You have length, all right? You have width, and you have height, okay? And now, all that I'm doing is I'm combining 2 of the measurements and then doubling it, because I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. So, I'm going to draw this in freehand, and you're going to take a look at this, if you want, neatly on the notes below. So, I've got this cuboid there, all right? So, I'm cheating the 3D by, not really doing isometric, but close enough, okay? And the measurement that I've got for this is 6'2", 6 centimeters long, 2 centimeters deep, and 3 centimeters high, okay? Now, below that picture of the cuboid, I've actually drawn the net. The net is if I had to open this thing up. If I had to cut along there, roll this part out, and open the 2 flaps on that side, okay? Then I get the net that looks like this. So the front here is 6 by 3, all right? Then the top here is 6 by 2, 6 by 2. Then the bottom underneath here, which I can't see, is also 6 by 2, right? 6 by 2, 6 wide, 2 high. And then the back there, which is behind there, which I can't see, is 6 by 3. So 6 by 3, okay? And then I've got the 2 side flaps, which are 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. All right? 3 high by 2 across. Now, if you think about this, how many have I got? Well, I've got this one, which is the front, which is the same as the back there, okay? Then I've got the top here, which is the same as the bottom. Are you with me? And I've got the left-hand side, which is the same as the right-hand side. So I've got 2 of each rectangle, okay? One rectangle, another one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Okay, so there are 6 rectangles altogether, 6 sides for a cuboid, and I've got 2 of the same. So all I have to do is just combine them. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people get stressed out, especially when I'm teaching this initially in year 7. When we're talking about this, they get stressed out. I need to combine the length with the width. So which one is the length, which one is the width? Then I have to combine the length with the height, and which one's the length, and which one's the height. Don't worry about it. Really, don't worry about it. Especially when you get to cuboids, you don't have to stress about what's what. The surface area is just 2 of the dimensions combined. Any 2. It doesn't matter which one you want. I've done 2 fronts, 2 tops, 2 sides on the notes, but I'm going to not worry about that. Let's do 2 of 6 by 2. 6 by 2. Right, there's one of the dimensions. Plus another 2 of, let's combine 2 other dimensions. Let's do 6 by 3. 6 by 3. Plus another 2. And we're going to combine 2 other dimensions. Well, I've done the 6 with the 2, I've done the 6 with the 3, so let's do the 2 with the 3, okay? 2 by 3. That's it. Don't stress about which one is which and which one has to go here. Forget about it. 2 dimensions, times them together, double them. Other 2, times them together, double them. Other 2, times them together, double them. That's it. Cuboids are a piece of cake. Okay? Once you understand where it comes from, that's all you have to do. And then you just multiply the whole thing out, okay? So, multiply the whole thing out, yada yada. I've gone through it on the blog, on the notes, but you should get 72 centimeters squared. Done. Piece of cake, huh? Really, really straightforward. As easy as that. Combine the 2 dimensions, each one. Okay, because remember, you have to combine 2 dimensions. Why? Because you're dealing with area. Area is flat. It's not 3-dimensional, it's flat. There are only 2 dimensions in area. If I had to open this thing up, it would open up to a flat net, which means I've only got width and I've only got height. There's no depth in area. Okay, so I'm combining 2 of the dimensions together. And it doesn't matter what you've got. If they say you've got a cuboid, that they say find the surface area of this thing, okay? I'm I'm just making this up now because it's really as straightforward in just making this up. Let's say this is 100 centimeters, this is 50, this is 40. Doesn't make a difference. The surface area is equal to 2 of 100 by 50. I've chosen those two. Plus 2 of, let's do 50 by 40. I've chosen those two. Plus 2 of, which ones haven't I used? I haven't combined the 100 with the 40. 100 by 40. Okay? Right, there you go. And you can go and work that out on the calculator, or you can try and do it by hand and work out the surface area of that one. Okay? Piece of cake. Cuboids. Surface area. Done. Alright. Go check this out again if you need some more help, but I really think it's straightforward. Just understand the combining of two dimensions and then add everything together. Okay? Alright. Remember, I'm here for you.